Hey everyone, Tony Restell here. Let's be completely honest, your recruitment agency doesn't need more random impressions or empty likes. You need actual hiring managers and founders opening your DMs. The problem is, most firms struggle because their B2B social media for recruiter strategy is treated like a generic branding side project. If your feed is nothing but job posts and celebratory placement graphics, you're almost guaranteeing weak results. Here are 3 critical shifts to turn things around. First, stop posting exclusively for candidates when your primary commercial goal is winning new clients. You have to build authority with the decision makers who actually sign terms and approve fees. Second, ditch the bland corporate language. If your content looks and sounds like every other generalist recruiter out there, buyers will ignore you. Specificity wins markets. Lean heavily into your niche and showcase your unique industry judgment. And third, stop treating reach as revenue. Likes from your industry peers won't fill your pipeline. Every single platform and piece of content needs a clear conversion path. You should always be guiding prospects toward a direct message, a discovery call, or a high-value webinar. Now, this is just a quick teaser of what it takes to build a high-performing social engine that drives revenue. I've mapped out the full, step-by-step framework, including exactly which channels to prioritize and how to measure real ROI over on our website. Click the link right down in the description to read the full guide on Social-Hire.com. Let's stop looking busy on social media and start winning more of the right business conversations. See you there.